Hey there, I'm David and I'm going to show you how to use the insulin voxels editor within Unity. So it's very easy. The first thing you have to do is to import the package. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a basic terrain. So once the package is imported, you will see that in the window menu you will have a submenu called volumetric terrain, and inside of it you will have two tools, the constructor tool and the painter tool. We'll start by using the constructor tool to create a basic terrain. You will notice that when I open the constructor tool, it's an editor window here, this object was created. This object stores the information about the creation of the mesh. You can delete it once the mesh is completed, or you can keep it so that you can update the mesh later. For example, I'm going to create a terrain. Alright, this window has some parameters. The first parameters that you want to put are the width, the height, and the depth in voxels. So for this demonstration I'm going to create a terrain with 10 voxels width, 3 voxels height, and let's say 8 voxels depth. Let's leave these parameters as default, and what this does is this creates this little grid here that represents the voxels in the terrain. So when I click here, it will start creating the terrain, as you can see. And this is the first floor of the terrain. For example, I'm going to create this little nice terrain right here. Alright, and here are the floors. This is the first floor, this is the second floor. These are the tiles of the first floor that are occupied, the ones with the little green square in them. So the second floor I can create more details. I guess I can do something crazy like this, and I can even go to the third floor and create like this little thing right here. So there you go, that's a very basic terrain. So once you're satisfied with your terrain, you have to export it, because this is not a game object. This game object does not have this geometry. You have to export it to have access to the geometry. So what I'm going to do is give it a name, for example test terrain, and I'm going to click export. When you click export, you will have access to the mesh right here, and you can delete this object if you want. And there you have it. You will have there the mesh. This is a Unity game object with all its properties. You can create, for example, one directional light. It only works with directional light. The default shader. There are some shaders, some triplanar shaders in the asset store that work fine with this type of geometries. Thank you.